Hi, this is Ali. This is my new line dance that I've choreographed to the Ed Sheeran track Shape of You. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with no restarts and no tags. Section 1. Start with weight on left, Mambo back by stepping the right back, recover weight on left, right forwards, hold with weight on right, step left forwards, recover weight on right, left back, and hold with weight on left. Section 2. Point right to the side, step right next to left, scissor step by stepping the left to the side, recover weight on right, cross left over right, hold with weight on left, Samba cross, step right to side, cross left over right, hold with weight on left. Section 3, side mambo by stepping right to side, recover weight on left, close right to left with weight on right and turn a quarter to the right. Susie Q, cross left over right whilst turning hips and feet to diagonal right, recover weight on right, cross left over right whilst turning hips and feet to diagonal right, and point right to side. Section 4, slide, so cross the right behind the left, large sliding step left to side, touch right to left, and do some body styling, keeping the weight on the left. It's up to you what body styling you do. You could do a body roll up from the bottom to the top, or hip rolls, or a figure of 8 hip action, or some shoulder shimmies, whichever you feel most comfortable with. Section 5, turn Monterey half right by touching the right to the side, turn half right whilst bringing right back to place and stepping onto it, touch left to side and step left next to right. Full turn right by stepping right forwards, turn one full turn to right whilst transferring weight to left, step right forward and hold with weight on right. Section 6, turn pivot half right by stepping forwards on left, pivot turn a half right, stepping on the right. Now lock step, step forward with the left, lock the right behind left, step forward left and hold with weight on left. Section 7, Susie Q, by crossing right over left whilst turning hips and feet to diagonal left, recover weight on left, cross right over left whilst turning hips and feet to diagonal left. Hitch left leg whilst turning hips and feet to diagonal right, grapevine by crossing left in front of right, step right to the side, cross the left behind the right and point the right to the side. Section 8, cross right in front of left, point left to side, step left together to right, bachacada by pressing the right forwards and roll hip clockwise. Step right together to left, press left forwards and roll hip counterclockwise. Step left together to right. During the choreography, we did a turn Monterey half right, followed by a full turn right. If you don't want to do the full turn right, you can replace it with a lock step. So now we would turn Monterey half right, then lock step by stepping forwards with the right, lock the left behind, step forward right and hold with weight on right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I hope you've liked this video. If you have, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like and comment on this video in the box below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.